This is an example of I've been doing so much with so little for so, just so we know, Capper.
Only difference between us and a beaver is the beaver knows what kind of wood he's up.
We're in Fangorn Forest now, where the autumn olives are monstrous.
Well, look at there. He's finally making it easy on me.
Park-like yard in progress. Normally you might just push it, you know, if you're doing like a food plot or something. But we want this to be like a little yard area. So that's why I'm taking the extra time to clean up this chaff. Quick midstream look. Tornado behind me. And now I'm working on this section. There's that big poplar. We're gonna clear behind it about another 20 feet or so. Getting closer.
He says, hey, you want to get out and cut some firewood? It's effing snowing, man. No!
Oh, snap. I must have hit a nerve there on Felipe.
Yeah, baby. Rolling on.
This is an example of I've been doing so much with so little for so long. I can do anything in no time with nothing. Look at the challenge he's given me. Just so we know, Capper.
Everything goes well. Some of this tree and a couple other cedars are going to be decorations in there. Alright, here's that stump that I kept running over the other day, but it's a hardwood, so it's in there. Oh, wait a minute, might come out halfway easy. Yeah, it's a little old. I sawed this, gosh, I don't even know if I could dig up a picture, but when we lived up here, I put one of them tent storage buildings up. Do that for when she wants to come down and visit. Birds chirping. Back here it's all wooded. Over here there's a little field and it's all wooded. And then the road is up here. And that's one of the trees that I had cut down to do that. At least this stump's gonna be gone.
Right there. Hold it right there.
All right.
See if that can. see if I can get to it.
Now we're making some progress. Although it don't look like it, that whole third-ish or a quarter of the yard is cleared. As usual, it was more than I thought for sure, but I made it to the second poplar tree there. So that's a beautiful big cedar behind it. Definitely going to keep that one there. But making more progress. Closer and closer. Here comes Phil. Alright, now we're getting really close to just cleanup work. Slash piles and firewood and down trees. I'm past both of these tulip poplars. There's Phil grabbing another one. Just now in here I'm keeping the bigger cedars like this one and just taking the thinner kind of junk. So you can open up a little bit of a view here into the woods. But even in the summer with this cedar thicket, it's still going to be plenty private. Is he a cash buyer?
Yeah, it'd be a 1031 exchange. He's selling another property one time.
Oh wow! Well, dude, congratulations, man. That's pretty insane.
Yeah. Yeah, so if it goes through, we'll make over.
Wow, man, that's crazy.
Yep. Time to find another one.
I wish I'd have bought into that one.
Another thing. 1 time ago. So.
Well, yeah, and after our closing Friday, we might be on the hunt for our next one.
Yeah. So.
Just cleaning a bunch of dead stuff down here on the edge of the new yard. Because eventually we'll probably have a lawn here, you know, to mow. Looking good. Sun came out. That's pretty nice. Okay, I came on the south side now. I decided since we didn't have enough big trees, I'm going to clear more of this brush. So individual cedars like this one and a couple behind me, you know, kind of give it a little bit more of a park feeling, a little more open woods here towards the edge. So now we're getting real close, and I'm starting to get a little hangry. I'm hungry. Skipped lunch, but man, we've made a ton of progress today. Ton of progress. All right, so here's an after look on the top. It's gotten a little too slimy, so we got really close to finishing, but wow, man, we made a ton of progress. Now looking forward to cleaning these tracks. Let's take a slimy walk down here quick for the after look of whatever episode we're on right now. Oh yeah, she is greasy. You can hear it slopping, but that did not stop us today. the clearing, like I said, is completely done. We just have about 4 or 5 slash piles yet down here. Clean up. It's a little more open than what I thought, that little backyard, but I wanted to be able to see, and I know Sharon wanted to be able to see some of these cedars, so I cleaned up a lot of the junk trees underneath. Obviously it's going to look way better when these slash piles are gone, because that, you know, that view will open up there. Back there's a huge pile back there, and all this, and beautiful setting. So good success, Phil. Now let's see if I can get back up this hill. All right, so the machines are so muddy, I don't feel like digging out the mud off the tracks. We're gonna go back through the woods. We're gonna go through Fangorn Forest, but this is Phil's trail here to the slash pile. And you can see, you know, we're skimming pretty good here. Fangorn Forest. What madness drove them in there? This is the same road that that big excavator, the first month or two here, he slid down this thing, and he had to put his boom down to stop him. A little too slick, she's sliding downhill. He had to put the bucket down to help him out there. Very nice. Alright, we got this rock creek, do a little clean off. What a mess. I'm right in the sun, you can't see.
Well, you should hire better help. Well, what do you think?
Clearing is done. The actual clearing, the pulling and pushing and all that. Just another couple, 3 or 4 slash piles, a couple logs, and it'll all be out of there. But I think we'll call it for today. But man, we got a lot done today, and we got quite a mess up here for the next phase.
The only difference between us and a beaver is a beaver knows what kind of wood he's up.
Yeah, we're just pulling them all.